0.35 cents, right? So it was 35 cents. And where we're at now today, we are at $1.40. Okay. So what we seen here is this is growth. This is a whole bunch of growth. Algorand. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income, stock market, online business, and cryptocurrency. On this video, we'll be talking about the Algorand ecosystem, and in particular, the ALGO. So I'm a long-term investor in Algorand, and I know a lot of y'all that watch this channel hear me talk about Algorand so much. This is a perfect time to dive in on my psychology and thinking while the market is very red, you know what I'm saying, down roughly 30, 40, 50% from its all-time high. So what we're gonna do is pull up the charts and we're gonna actually deep dive and talk about this right here, this here Algorand. Okay. So we are on the Algorand chart. Make this bigger here for y'all. Okay. And make sure you leave a comment in chat, say ALGO, you know what I'm saying? ALGO to the moon, Algorand if you still digging Algorand. So currently the price is $1.40 USD. Down almost 10% for the day, okay? As we look at this year-to-date chart, let's start with the year-to-date chart. Year-to-date is from January 1st into now, so we're almost at a whole year. But if we look at this chart, please leave a comment below and tell me what you see on this chart year-to-date. What I see is Algorand in the very beginning, we'll say January 1st, I'm looking down here, Algorand 1/1/21 was 0.35 cents, right? So it was 35 cents. And where we're at now today, we are at $1.40. Okay. So what we seen here is this is growth. This is a whole bunch of growth. And this is why I'm bullish on Algorand. So now let's go to the day chart. If you look at this day chart, you see that we went from $1.53 down to the $1.38. You look at the 7-day chart, you see we're at $1.72, and then we go down to $1.38, right? One would be like, uh-oh, we're taking a dip. We look at the month chart, we went from $2.12 down to $1.38. 3-month chart, 208 to $1.38. We look at the 1-year chart. So when you expand your horizon, when you're looking at the 1-year chart, the year-to-date, and the all-time chart, if you want to look at this one right here, we're not doing so well. This chart here is, I believe, was the initial offering that the original investors bought, but most of us, to keep it 100, didn't really get in starting to Algorand to about here, you know? So that's about the year-to-date chart. No matter what's happening in this market, I'm still bullish on Algorand. So what I'm doing is purchasing more algos. I'm getting myself, let me close this. I'm putting myself in a position to buy more algos, right? Governance is right around the corner. We're going to be receiving our governance rewards. Then we're going to be able to restake those governance rewards. I showed you the all-time chart. It was a lot of red there. Most of us did not get in the very initial offering of 2019. Most of us got in after Algorand was already bottomed out around 35 cents. So I pray that y'all who are still in this market, stay in this market long-term, because we got to have a long year time horizon to actually really, see where we're at in our portfolios. So for myself, my Algorand stack is doing great. So definitely I see this as a buying zone. $1.38, $1.50. I still can't believe it. Highest, the lowest has been since September when it took off, late August, early September. So definitely leave a comment below and let me know what your ideas is about those charts I showed you about Algorand. Where do you see it going? I definitely see it still going to the moon, but it's going to take us time. This is a 2-year-old protocol that we're doing great. All right. Make sure y'all tap in, leave a comment again, say what's good. see with the passive income network, I am go.
Algorand, 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 Algorand. See the crypto, a digital face. 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it. Bank account by Algorand. Large amounts.